So you saw the thumbnail, guys. It looks like there could be a very good Birddog variation coming out from the Tron network. The question is, where are we currently at right now? How much higher can we go? And are we about to see that strap onto your boots moment? Anything can happen right now within this area. So without further ado, why don't we do a Birddog Tron versus Birddog on Sol? And if you haven't done so already, guys, do me a favor. Give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and you know what time it is. It's time to strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmets, let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back my beautiful people for another video. Alright guys, so one of the guys who commented in my previous video did state to me that I should be checking out on the Birddog on the Tron network because he reckons that there should be a insane ride to the upside, and he reckons this variation of Birddog will do much better than Birddog on Solana. What do you reckon, guys? Which out of the two variations do you reckon it will see go up to 10, 20, 50, 100x, maybe even 1000x? Because I reckon both of these variations could in fact still do incredibly well. The market cap is still very similar, guys. Look at this, it's at $2.58 million market cap. So why don't we start off with the Birddog on the Tron network? We can see where it could potentially head over the next few days to coming weeks and figure out where it could go. Anyway, without further ado, it's at $2.58 million market cap, and we are down on the day 3.46% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.002586. Sounds to me very similar to the one on the Sol network. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts. And what do we see? Alright, so looking at this chart, and one thing I have definitely noticed is this. I don't know why this is still here, but why don't we just crack on, guys? Alright, so firstly, we made a lovely run to the upside. We then saw this pullback right here. And then this was supposed to be a retest. Well, we retested it already if you're measuring from the wick of the candle. But we closed below this level right over here. Usually that indicates if we are below this level right over here, that potentially we are more than likely to head away much further low. Potentially this could just be a retest back in this level before ultimately bouncing to a much lower levels, because we haven't blasted away from this height over here. So what I'm going to do, let's draw a few lines here. First of all, support and resistance. Guys, it's really important, your support and resistance. Here's the simplest way of trading without having to get yourself caught up all the actions and noise in between. Alright, so we haven't yet cleared above the resistance level. Until then, I'm not looking to get in to Birddog on the Tron network. Instead, I'm going to be waiting for a deeper correction before to look for an entry, because anything that's been out for, let's say, a week, 2 weeks or so, and we saw nothing but a move to the upside, we should be coming back at some point down here. Now, why would I buy in at these areas right over here without seeing any confirmation breaking to the upside? So therefore, I'm going to be holding my bags on the side, because I still reckon this will do, phenomenal, during the next coming days or weeks. But we just need to see a break of structure, which we have not seen at all yet. Instead, what we saw was this move to the upside with them pull back, and then we didn't even stay above this level right over here. We wicked all the way up here where they came back down. We wicked again over here again, and we came back down. This could be a sign of we're going to continue our way back towards this level. until we wick in or get into these levels right over here, I'm not looking to get into Birddog on the Tron network. It doesn't mean that I'm bearish on the project or I don't believe in it, because I reckon it could still do exceptionally well. But I'm looking at the structure. The only time I'll buy this high, that's only if we see a move continuing to the upside, something like this. Then with a pullback, and only until then I'll be hitting the buy signal from here to there for a move to the upside. I still reckon we could see quite a seismic gain, or should I say astronomical gain, for Birddog on the Tron network. But until then, I'm just going to wait until I see that break of structure on either direction before I look to buy. This is not financial advice, just telling you exactly what I see based on the structure. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, because in these sort of high risk meme events could lead you to not having any money at all. So please do your research, check out the contract addresses before you look to buy any of these memes. I'm just some guy from YouTube that's looking to try to get your attention and for you to click onto my videos so we can try to make some serious gains together. But other than that, guys, please do your own research. But anyway, let's just continue on, because I reckon we have mentioned all that we need, and now all we're going to do is wait to see those important areas. So why don't we go and check out the Birddog on the Solana network, and that way we can compare a few important informations, but most importantly, let's check out the structure of Birddog on Solana. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so as we can see, the market cap is at $2.38 million, very similar to the one on the Tron network. We are down on a day at 1.79% on a day for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.002388, extremely similar to the one on Tron. But why don't we take a closer look on the chart and let's see what is happening. And what we see is, since yesterday we were going up a little bit, and today we are seeing the retracement. This is a normal pullback, because if we take a look at total 3 on a daily chart, it's looking like that we've pulled back perfectly into this level right over here. And this could signal a reversal back up to the top, or at least for the short term, back up here. What would that mean? Or how would that reflect with memes? Well, as we can see on the day, we have flipped a little bit further to the downside, just like the total 3 right here on our daily candle. And this means once this starts flipping bullish and we continue away to the upside, it's going to drag the whole entire market along with Birddog on the Solana network, which means this trade here is still valid. I reckon our target should be up here, but first we should always be looking for the small wins. So 1, you get used to the whole trading concept. 2, always have an idea to when to exit your trade and lock in those profits, so you can come back and trade again and increase your profits by using like a snowball effect. Which is why it's really important to start learning how to take profits, guys, because that way at least you will lock into those profits rather than losing any potential trades. Anyway, that's for the next video. Actually, I didn't do yesterday, which I do apologize. I'll do a video today on trading for some of these memes. So go subscribe to my membership over here, where you will get videos like these, so you learn how to trade just like me, and you can follow along. You can use it as a trading signal, or you could actually pick up some useful trading tips, which is why I've designed that channel. But anyway, I digress. So I reckon from here, guys, we should be able to at least head anywhere back up here, because that's looking very similar to this level right here on the total 3. And I reckon now once we hit there, we're going to be pretty much in a safe zone, as long as we do react very nicely over here, get back into between these zones and power our way up. But let's take a look at the overall chart by squeezing into the charts. Alright guys, it's still looking fairly decent overall, so I reckon we still should be able to see some seismic gains in the near future. I still reckon Birddog would reach to that 1000x. The question is guys, which of these variations do you reckon will get to that 1000x first? Would it be this variation of Birddog on the Solana network? Or do you reckon this variation of the Birddog on the Tron network will get to that 1000x first? Anyway guys, you let me know in the comments which one are you mostly bullish on. Anyway guys, watch out for my next video. I'm going to be talking a little bit more about Success Kid and a whole host of other memes. And today, I promise you all, I will do 2 or 3 trading videos within my paid only membership. So guys, check that out too. If you're not a member, then please head over to my top pinned comments so you can gain access to my membership right over here. And if you haven't done so already, guys, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can stay up to date with all of my latest contents and videos from my trading for members only right over here and my general videos right over here. So guys, what are you waiting for? Give me some love and join in my exclusive membership right over here where you get contents like these over here. What are you waiting for? It's the same price of a coffee. Until then, I'll see you